Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I have my friend Julia here, and we're going to chug one of these and do another burping more, because that's what everyone's been asking for in the comments on my other video. So, let me move this up here, and we'll get started. Ready? Set, go.
I'm about to.
I'm like crying.
Do you have to drink the whole thing before you burp?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Are you about to burp?
Uh-huh. It's cold.
Who won yours with Chantel?
Me. Okay.
Yours is empty?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll go first. Oh, whoa.
I don't have another one.
I got too much, I was gonna barf.
I'm about to burp.
Done. And Julia.
I'm not ready.
No. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. She's done. Is there anything you'd like to say? Are you out burping?